A very cheerful morning to all my lovely students. How are you all? Hope you all would be in the state of good health. Today, your English teacher Rekha is here with a poem, The Microbe. Do you know what are microbes? Microbes means microorganism. Micro means small in size, tiny in size. I think you might have learnt about the microorganism in your science book. This poem is written by the poet Hilaire Belloc, who is a Anglo-French writer, poet, politician also. Let's go through the poem.
The microbe is so very small, you cannot make him out at all. But many sanguine people hope to see him through a microscope. His jointed tongue that lies beneath 100 curious rows of teeth. His 7 tufted tails with lots of lovely pinks and purple spots. In these lines, what the poet has expressed, he has made fun of the scientists who made confusing explanation of tiny organisms. They are all around. They are so small in size. The microbe is so very small. They are so tiny. We can't see them at all. You cannot make him out at all. Means with our naked eyes we cannot see them. But many sanguine people hope to see him through a microscope. Sanguine. What is the meaning of sanguine? Cheerfully optimistic, or the people who are hopeful. But many hopeful people hope to see him here. The microorganism, the microbe is described as a male person, him, to see him through a microscope. They are so hopeful. So they say that they can see them. People can see them through a microscope. Microscope is a instrument, that is equipment to see the microorganism. Let's go through the next lines. His jointed tongue that lies beneath 100 curious rows of teeth. Here in these lines, the poet has described that the microbe has a jointed tongue that lies beneath. Beneath means under. 100 curious. Curious means strange, unusual. 100 curious rows of teeth. It means the microorganism has a strange row of teeth which are hundreds in number. His 7 tufted tails with lots of lovely pink and purple spots. In these lines, the poet expressed that the microbe has 7 tufted tails. On his tails, tufted means with hair tied together. You can see in the picture also here. 7 tufted tails. 7 tufted tails with lots of lovely pink and purple spots. Yes, let's go through the next stanza. On each of which a pattern stands, composed of 40 separate bands. In these lines, what the poet says? He says about the tails which are tufted. Tufted means tied together. So on each of which a pattern stands. On each, there are 7 tufted tails. On each tail, there is a pattern. And pattern is composed of 40 separate bands. His eyebrows of a tender green. In these lines, the poet says about the microbe that the eyebrow of microbe is light green in color. All these have never yet been seen, though nobody has seen them. But this explanation is made by the scientists who are very sanguine, who are very hopeful. They made these confusing explanation about the microorganisms for us that they must be so. Oh, let us never doubt what so nobody is sure about. In these lines, the poet says to the scientists who are always ought to know something, should give us the assurance, means they should tell us with certainty that the microbes are as similar as they have been described in the poem. We should never be with the doubts. Assure us that they must be so. Oh, let us never doubt what nobody is sure about. The scientists should clear or remove, they should remove all the doubts by giving assurance. As there are trillions of microbes in our environment, they are all around in different shapes. So nobody is sure about the microbes. Hope you understood the poem. What we understood, what we learned. The scientists described the microbes as having a jointed tongue, 100 rows of teeth. It has 7 tufted tails with lots of pink and purple spots, and each spot has a pattern made of 40 separate bands. So, this is a funny poem. Here, the poet makes fun of the confusing explanation of the scientist about the microorganism. That was the poem all about. I hope this video will help you to understand the poem. Meet you in our next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.